Hello, let me ask you, are you still feeling stuck? Even though you're working hard? Look, if you're an entrepreneur, a real estate agent, an insurance producer, an online business builder, an affiliate or network marketer, and you're doing all the right things, but your results still feel inconsistent, this message is for you. I've discovered the real problem usually isn't that you don't know what to do. It's that you can't do it consistently, and it's costing you. You start strong. Then momentum fades. You stay busy all day, but the needle barely moves. You overthink what to post, what to say, who to follow up with, and then you delay decisions. And when results dip, your confidence dips with it. You can feel the pressure in your chest. You carry it into your sleep. You carry it into your relationships. And even if you don't say it out loud, you wonder, why can't I just follow through? But here's what I've learned from my personal journey and after decades of coaching high performers. You can't out-strategy an identity problem. When your identity is tied to outcomes, you live in pressure. And pressure creates procrastination, inconsistency, burnout, and self-sabotage. Not because you're weak, but because you're trying to build results on a foundation that won't hold. That's exactly why I created my Limitless Success Mentoring 12-week high-touch one-on-one coaching program designed to rebuild you from the inside out and install a simple, personalized execution system so you finally get results that match your effort. This is not just another generic group program. And this is not just a bunch of hype. This is personalized mentoring with me, Dr. Paul Calloway, where we work directly on your goals, your mindset, your habits, your strategy, and your execution. Here's what you get. 12 weekly 60-minute remote private coaching sessions. Ongoing daily text or email support, because breakthroughs don't only happen on a scheduled call. Individual goal setting plus your personalized goal accomplishment system design. So your goals aren't just wishes, they become inevitable. And guided personal and professional development training using proven success principles, including Bob Proctor's Think and Grow Rich video trainings, the Think and Grow Rich study guide, and Earl Nightingale's Lead the Field study guide. Just think, can you imagine waking up with peace instead of panic, knowing exactly what matters today, making decisions with confidence, speaking with clarity, selling with conviction, and staying consistent even when results fluctuate, because your identity is anchored and your system is solid. This program is right for you if you want more consistent income, more consistent execution, more peace under pressure, more clarity of purpose, optimized productivity, and more confidence that doesn't collapse when results dip. And yes, to make your decision even easier, this offer comes with a 30-day, 100% money-back guarantee. Now, the next step is simple. Schedule your complimentary 30-minute strategy session with me. There is no obligation, and I won't be trying to sell you anything. However, what we will handle on the call together is identify what's really holding you back, clarify your number one priority goal for the next 12 weeks, map the fastest path forward for your situation, determine your best next step, and see if you qualify for my Limitless Success Mentoring program or if something else would be a better fit. So go ahead and book your session using the link I've included below. And as a thank you for tuning in today, be sure to grab my free Identity First Success Starter Kit. This starter kit is the 3-step foundation every athlete, sales professional, and entrepreneur must have before any strategy will work and grow. You can download it now through the included link below. So I just have one final question for you. What do you think it could cost you to do nothing right now and stay in the same cycle for another 12 weeks? If you're ready to get anchored, get clear, and finally follow through, make the good decision to schedule your complimentary strategy session now. I look forward to meeting you.